Hi guys, welcome to my channel Discuss Cypher and Code with me, Learn with me. So this is our next problem in HackerRank. The problem is on our linked list, and so first of all we read the problem, and in heading we are understanding the delete duplicate value nodes from our sorted list. So the statement nothing but you are given the pointer to the head node and a store shorted linked list means we have given a linked list, a shorted linked list, and there is many value present. And there is also a duplicate value also present here. We are seeing here that 1 2 3 3 3 4 times. So our task is nothing but remove the duplicate value from the linked list and return the fresh linked list with unique value. There is not present duplicate values. Okay, so in my mind, a simple logic simple logic building. Nothing but the logic is first of all there is a linked list present. First of all, we are creating a empty list because I'm going through this logic for one reason. In this problem, they don't say that the time space complexity are constant for the solution. Okay, there is nothing this type of a statement present. So that's why we are creating some new list and we are returning a new linked list, not the given linked list. Okay, so in this case we are creating a list first, empty linked list, and after one we are creating a new linked list. Okay, so and we are seeing the new linked list is nothing but singly linked list. Okay, and one more thing is their value is insert node. Okay, so first of all, we are assign we are create a new linked list. After that, we run a while loop where means we running a while loop. We go through all the node and collect the value and append to the new empty list. And there is also a condition we are given if the node value is not present in the empty list, then we are adding the node value to the new list. Okay, if the value is already present in our list, so we don't add this value, means like 1 is added, after 2 is added, after next time the next value is 2. When 2 is check the condition, 2 is present in the list. Yeah, 2 is already present, so that's why 2 is not more append in our new list. So that's why we get a fresh unique value list. Okay, so nothing but if mm, list dot data not an a, so that's why a dot append list dot data, and we are increasing our pointer. Okay, our first task is complete. So our next condition is nothing but logic is nothing but we are go through this list and each value we are creating a new linked list. So what we are doing, we're doing write a for loop for a, and we are already create our list, new linked list. So assign new list dot insert, because the insert node function already create here singly linked list already create here for create new node. So and we are passing the the value of linked list, each value in present in this list, new list. And after that, we have returned our new list head. So I think the code will be running successfully. Check it. Okay, what happened? What happened? Something is wrong. Uh, for INA. mm, Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Now this okay. Yeah. So our code will be run successfully and submit our code. Check. Yeah. All the test cases are passed. So this is for today. And code with me, learn with me. Bye bye.